Okay, so I'm evaluating the 7th grade math welcome module. So I'm going to syllabus lesson grades. I'm going to go to modules, see if I can find the start here. Welcome. Okay, so I'm going to go to the home page. Okay, so here's the home page, which I was just on that. Okay, so this is the home page in the module. It's got the syllabus, the lessons, the grades, and I believe these are going to be the modules linked out eventually. Let's see. For the modules here, one of the things you can do, let me try to move my face out of the way, is I can't see it on yours, but on the module you can add a header, and you could put, like, instead of just welcome here, you could put like a header page that says something like, welcome to the getting started module. Please complete the following, read over the following 5 pages and to get this started. Let me show you. Let me see if I can find mine. Okay, so I'll show you what I mean. So like on mine, this is just personal preference. You surely don't have to do it, but go to the start here button. The getting started, you can add like a little module banner. Hi, welcome to English 4. This is and then the next 5 sections you have to do things. So I divided mine into 2, and I use the indent module. And if you click here, you can decrease or increase indent. So that might be something to think about. Just might be helpful. Now let me see if I can find your course. Sorry. Oh, here. Okay. So that's the home page. So I'm going to click through to go to the next page. All right. And maybe in the module, the very first page, you could do like a little paragraph of like, welcome to 7th grade math. In 7th grade math, we're going to learn this, 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 and this. Please click below to reference the home page below, and maybe you talk about how the syllabus link takes you to the syllabus, the lessons and grades. Maybe just like give a little blurb about it or something. All right, then your syllabus is here, and it is a link out. So let's see if I can see that. Okay, so 7th grade math. Okay, I'm not sure what that is. File is in owner's trash. Okay. Let me see if I can stay up so I can at least evaluate what's here. Okay, so here's the syllabus. It looks good. I love the Miss Pollock banner there in 7th grade math and how to reach me, class materials. I love all the visuals here. Remind text alerts. I love that you use Remind 101. That's awesome. You've got the breakdown. I like how it's a little different and going up and down instead of left to right, like that. I like the fonts, how they change. It's effective, right? And then you got expectation rules, absences, and getting information. I like it. I like the syllabus a lot. I like your blog spots listed there. You have an Instagram. Very cool. Very cool. And there may be a way for you to embed this so that it shows up, but I'm not even sure if you could copy and paste it, or I'm not sure how you could do that, but it'd be really cool if you could embed that because it's a very visual syllabus. So good job on that. Unit outline. Okay. So I believe this goes through the 1 through 9, which are from your home page, and what each one's gonna, well, actually there's 12 here. All right, no, there's 9. Never mind. All right. Sorry, I hadn't used Roman numerals that high up in a while, but yeah, so 1 through 9. It might even be cool if you could use the numbers you have on the first page, so that it just carries it through. That's just a suggestion. I mean, I'm not sure how much time that would take. You'd probably have to put all those images in and then put it beside it, but that'd be kind of cool to make it carry out the same way. Eventually, you might even want to link those out to, to like to each unit. You could just, let me go back. So like, obviously I don't have teacher rights here, but like you can just highlight this when you're in the edit mode, and then over here you'll have a bunch of things, and you'll have a modules, and you can just click to the appropriate module or unit that you're doing. So that'd be kind of cool if it linked out there too. All right, 5 points possible. Welcome to 7th grade math. In this course, we will be engaging in discussion boards. To start the discussion boards off, you will be responding to the prompt below. Be sure to comment on at least 2 other people's posts. Prompt: explain how you feel about math now as compared to when you were in a different grade. The difference between blank and 7th grade is blank. Okay, so you give them like a little fill in the blank so they know. And then I could find that. Okay, and I could type easily from here and click post reply. I like it. You may even want, I know you have the word explain, but considering I'm an English teacher, and I usually have to make sure I tell my students, you want to say, fill in the statement below and then explain your thinking. Support your thinking with examples. Then explain how your example supports your opinion, something like that. You might want to be just a tad more specific so that they give you. Write an entry to the following prompt. The most important part of solving a problem is, and then comment on two. So I think I may be beyond the getting started unit. Yeah, so I went to unit 1. Okay, so you might just want to have a little intro here on your home page, like a welcome page, where you just kind of welcome the students. I'd love to see your syllabus embedded because it's really awesome the way it's laid out. And then your unit outline, I think if you could carry through these numbers here that you have. Let's see if I can get it to pop up. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you could get that to be on the on your beside of your units and then link them out, that'd be pretty cool. And then welcome to 7th grade math. Here, we should give them the little discussion. I think that's good. You might even want to introduce yourself a little bit in this unit, like maybe a picture of yourself and a little bio about you might be nice to add in. So I'm not even and I'm trying to think, maybe if you added a button on your home page that said start here or getting started module or start here button. I think I'm trying to see where mine is. I think I have a one on my home page, and I just found it on Google. It was one of those free clip art sites that you didn't have to cite or anything, and I just embedded that. And then the way that I linked it was, I'll show you. In case you're not super familiar with, if this is beneath your ability, I apologize. But like, I didn't know until somebody showed me. I highlight it and you go to modules and then you just click on getting started and it links it there. So, but anyway, all in all, good job. And I think if you just add in a little bio about yourself and maybe a little bit of a welcome blurb page, you know, maybe even call that where they post, you know, maybe don't call that welcome to 7th grade math, just put my thoughts on math or something like that, and then make a welcome page the first thing. But hopefully this helps, and I will see you soon or talk to you soon, I guess.